So I was out here trying something, and I figured I'd shoot a short real quick. So this is actually a scrap piece. I don't really need it for anything. It's like 4 inches long. Yes, the press is wobbling. It's a Harbor Freight press. What do you expect? This is actually a piece of a passenger side CV shaft from a Honda. I was up in the bed of my truck the other day, and I noticed this nice angle that it has on the back here. I figured I would try it for making, maybe, if I can get it in there straight, pipe flares. Anybody that has ever tried to cut a CV shaft will tell you just how hard this stuff is. It's like chromoly or something, but you can see the coating scraping off there. And the pipe is actually moving. Now, whether or not this will work on a chunk of pipe that's a foot or 2 foot long, I haven't tested yet. I don't have a spare cut, so we'll crank this down a ways. It's starting to flare out a little bit. Let off the pressure. Obviously the process could be improved upon, but I'd say that works pretty well. If nothing else, I'll be able to make collector pipes, collector tubes. Thanks for watching.